Hi, welcome to Logic Roots. This video covers Monster Sock Factory, Gameplay 1, Shipped. Let's get started. Best watched horizontal, and pause wherever you need to. In Shipped, work together as a team to ship as many orders as you can before the timer runs out. Grab only the easy order cards, the white ones. Strew all the sock packets across the factory floor and place the sand timer where everyone can see it. Flip the timer. Draw an order card. You need to ship 16 socks. Pick any monster on the card. Choose the two-legged monster. That means you need packets of 2. Search the factory floor for packets of 2 and count out loud as you grab them. 2, 4, 6, and when you hit 16, get ready, say it loud. 8 times 2 is 16. Shipped. Draw a new card and keep going as a team until the timer runs out. Count your shipped orders. You got 3 orders this time. You all win. Try to beat your group's high score next time you play. Now go play with math. Ready for the next level? Watch Gameplay 2, Pro Shipper. The link is right here.